heading to pick up my rear wide body panel at Rockets. And this guy had a flat tire.
Driving my car this time.
Yeah, my car is like stuck in snow. Buried in snow. So, yeah.
We're gonna meet Van there.
Look at this snow. Look at the snow. Oh.
It's all gonna melt today, watch. It's like half a foot of snow, right?
It's gonna be sunny like tomorrow also, apparently. Weather forecast.
I thought they said it was gonna snow in the weekend. I don't know.
No, it's supposed to snow today.
Oh really?
And Sunday was supposed to be sunny.
Maybe later on today.
Oh shit.
I guess we'll see you when we're with Van Bun.
Vacation.
So we made it to Rockets in this. I got stuck in this area. I don't know why I went this way. So they had to like push me out. So they're over there. And this is Vancouver. Well, Richmond actually. Picking up his wide body there. I picked up the wide body. Met up with Van.
Your boy.
Here we go.
So, trying to look like somewhat. Just get the fitment.
Go forward a bit. Yeah, there you go. Oh. Is that an inch? Is that an inch out?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh damn, that looks nice. What do you think? Is it worth?
Yeah, it's worth it. Now I just gotta do some custom shit to it. But yeah, I'm liking it. Merry Christmas, guys.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Van.
This guy's birthday.
That's not mine. My gift didn't come in.
So it's not a happy, it's just a birthday.
They have to locate.
Shout out to Rockets. It's fiberglass or?
Yeah, fiberglass.
Damn. Alright.
Right?
What's up, guys? So we're here in the junkyard. There's Harvey, his uncle, and
This is gonna be mine.
yeah,
It's got 193.
193 kilometers. Right there.
Okay, I'm gonna take all the bottom one out first, and then we'll take it out from the top. So that way, the whole bracket. So that way, it doesn't drop on us, right? Okay. Let's take out this thing first. What thing? All this.
There it is.
Cut it.
I missed it.
Oh, you missed it.
Oh, the throttle cable. Missed the drop.
Now we can just lift out the whole motor,
The frame, right?
and then we can just cut off whatever excess needs to be cut. Yeah, that's why.
I was planning to get one too before.
Yeah?
Clean.
Before,
So it's not
before I
black?
got the Integra, I was looking at one.
Put in there.
Because the one that I had
Yeah.
is
You see
two
it?
overhead cam, VTEC.
Damn.
It's a 93. That's why I bought it right away, 900.
Oh shit, 900 bucks.
Yeah.
No, it looks clean. There's no no shiny, no nothing.
See the plug? People keep asking me.
People- Yeah, people
but
bugging him like
they will
crazy.
come.
You think the timing belt looks okay?
To me, it looks okay.
No crack though.
It's just the.
Yeah.
I don't see any cracks. But his cam seal is leaking.
Let me hit that.
Which one?
Maybe
Yeah.
they just did the
Can you
timing
tell?
belt, but
Oh,
they
yeah.
never did the
Seal.
seal.
No cracks?
So you gotta take the gears out, right?
No, nowhere for it.
There's no cracks or what?
Can you see it?
No.
No,
look,
yeah.
but look, they did
Look
the
at
marking,
this.
Look, they marked the timings.
Yeah.
That
That means
they-
they did it.
they
Look
planned
look
it.
at this too. If they change it, they will take. That means that's
Mark.
sealed, but they didn't look like it.
So,
they
but they changed it at 100,000 K.
Here we go.
Just like this?
Yeah, start it up. Put it all the way down and start it. First, prime your. No. You gotta prime it first. Prime your fuel. Prime your fuel. Like, yeah. Is that on the second? Yeah. Okay, now start it.
Nice. No smoke at all. Shit.
Yeah, pump first, huh?
How do you feel? Yeah.
Smoke, dude.
No smoke.
First start.
Yeah.
Smoking?
No, no smoke.
Whoa!
Check the back. Check the back. Check the back. Woo! Smells good.
Doesn't look like it.
No, it's not. Damn. The mad scientist behind all this. What time is it? It's like 9. It's 9.
He finished okay, though.
Oh yeah.
Number 10, right?